another day and we are going roasting SEO of another website which I found accidentally on upwork.com. So let's jump in. Basically they are saying that they are pretty new, it's a brand new site and they need someone who would help them with ranking on Google. So first things first, you can see that page speed is not good. This is not optimized very well regarding page speed. We will probably realize why in a few seconds. So this one needs to improve at least like to 80, 95. Usually my site or my customers, they have it around 100, but it is really tough to achieve this, but it is possible. So this is the website we are talking about actually. So first things we will check out how it looks regarding errors. You can see there are no errors, only some messages, but it doesn't matter. So no errors. This is actually good sign. So nicely done. Everything is okay here. Let's start with UX and with conversion rate optimization and customer journey. So if I will reload, you can see right now we are in full HD resolution. So basically when we will load the website, there is, let me say, there is a mess. I can't see like what is the main call to action, what is the CTA here, because we have here call us, which is like with a red color, but seems to me like home on home page. The home button is also in red, and it is marked as with the same color like call to action. So this is confusing already. Then there is this big button, or let's say normal button, but it is in the middle of page screen, meaning that this might be also main call to action. So it is again confusing. And if I will scroll down, you can see already like third color, which is yellow, and it is another call to action on main website. So basically I'm a little bit confused. If I will somehow like end up here on this landing page, I will not be sure what to do, where to go, what actually needs to be done. So let me scroll down. Here are some articles, and here we have first, or let's say I call it email feeder. This is this subscribe to newsletter input field. Which is useful to have, but let me say in few seconds something more about this, since I can see already this form, which is from my point of view like the most important form here on this web page, on this landing page. So what I would expect probably is to have this this form in the top, absolutely in the top of the page, and then I would tell these visitors that I'm expecting that they will provide me some data, some name and this kind of things to be able to reach them out. So this is really like in a footer. I don't think it is good. But let's keep it as it is, and let me continue here. So if we will try this one, it will probably try to call, which is good. Okay, so you can call directly from this. If I will read about this, here is what about us. Okay, I'm not sure how this would be useful on homepage, but still it is there. Okay, let's continue. Book now. What we have here. Okay, so this is like main call to action, or this is the main form. You can see that it is again confusing because here I have like 6 input fields, and here I have another 4 input fields. Here I have continue, here I have send. So we are right now on a page where we can see already like 10 input fields, and I'm so scared that I'm running away. I will not leave here like any credentials, any name, any address, nothing. So I will get out and I will try to reach you somehow in a better way. Maybe this would be much more useful if it would be like with the bigger letters. So let's be here for a while, because I can see, okay, so I know probably a year of my car, which would be like Toyota Corolla 1996, which I am really enjoying to travel these two miles every day. Make, okay, so Toyota model Corolla, submodel, I don't know, win. I have no clue what is the win. Like yes, it is some identification number, but I'm not sure where to get it. I'm not sure if I should right now like run to garage to check it out on my front shield, or if I should look for my documents. This is already annoying me, and miles, I have no clue right now. It might be like plus minus 100,000 miles. So if I will click on continue, first name, email, last name, contact. What is contact anyway? Like, if I will provide you, from my point of view, all of these fields are about contact. So is it like me, or I don't know? Maybe yes, but here we are already like we are lost, because there is too many fields, and this is what you actually don't want to do. If you are expecting that this will be somehow like a lead gen form, it will generate leads for you. The best thing you can do is to have like maximum 3 fields, input fields. If it will be much more than 3, then you can expect that there will be with every another field, input field, there will be like plus 10% probability that people will churn, they will get out, they will bounce. So don't do it if you are willing to have here like more than 3 input fields, then it will not work as you would expect. Actually, what I would do here is to make it much more smarter and much more like straight ahead. And it would be to have only something like this. There will be, hey, do you need any help? Just put here email, and we will come back to you like immediately. And if there will just leave you email, you have everything you need, because you can use it for creating email database. So you will have like much bigger audience in few months. And second thing, here will be some Zapier, some automation, and this automation will help you just to collect these emails. There will be auto reply, and there will be email like, hey, so thank you very much. I know that you need our help. So if it is like serious, and you would like to be you would like to schedule your appointment or something like this, please fill in this form, and then you will explain them like why they are filling actually this data, what they are leaving there, this data, and why do you need it actually from them. So there will be something like, hey, we don't want to hire another assistant, we need you to provide us this data, then it will be much cheaper for us, this kind of things. And then we can focus on car repairs and car service and these kind of things. So start with only one field, like main call to action collection. Put their automation in this reply email. Put there like, hey, this is anyway, this is like contact on us. So if you would like to speak with us anyway, just don't hesitate to call us, and that's it. It will be sent, and you will automatically collect all these leads, because they will just, it's pretty common right now to just leave there your email and see what will happen. So don't do this like multiple fields, forms. It will just scare people, and they will not fill the data. So that's it. Let's continue. When I'm seeing these blogs or articles, let me check it out if I can click here, and of course it is not possible to click here. I can only click on a text but not on an image. So it would be much convenient to be able to just click here and open this blog. So let me just jump to that article and let's see how it looks. Welcome, customer resources, dear valued customers. This is probably not something you would like to have as a headline, as a title. Welcome, customer resources. So this one will not work. It will not rank anyway. But let me see if there is some better example. There is no breadcrumbs, no navigation. I can't see any block. Okay, resources. So tire care tips, nice. So this is better. Tire care tips. So now we are talking about something. This is great. This is great title. Nice headline. There will be some, I guess, hopefully it will be H2. Let me just check it out. So it's, yeah, it is H2. So this is good. Let me check it out how it looks regarding structure. Okay, H1, H2, no H3. Anyway, what I'm missing here is like main call to action. First, there is no like internal linking at all. So we are talking here about some services, but there is no internal link to that services, and there is no call to action. Something like, hey, if you accidentally end up on this page, it's great you are here because we are doing actually this kind of thing. So just don't worry to put there something like this to provide them some value and be sure that you will actually collect all these people which are looking for this kind of things. So last things will be these services. Sorry, I didn't want to laugh, but here is like 6 call to actions and all of them are same. I understand how did you mean it, guys, but still, this should be article, this should be article, this should be article, and all of these articles would have only one call to action. Hey, we are here for you. Let's contact. Let's book now. Let's fill your email here, and we will come back to you like immediately, etc., etc. So this is something which can be like done a little bit more in a clever way, and here can be just like general description, and these services can be actually described in this resources slash blog posts. So again here it will be, I guess, the same. So do it that way. And okay, last thing. Okay, so if I click on a contact, it will scroll down here. Okay. So that's it. It's another roasting of SEO. Let's see you next time. Hopefully it will be tomorrow. And don't forget, SEO is actually easy.